Best way to install a sub in a semi-truck, non-invasive for company drivers. Everything can be taken out in 5 minutes. Nobody will ever know. Had a 20-year-old sub laying around. Happened to have high-level inputs. Ran a speaker wire to the rear speaker, used a T-tap to grab the signal. Power wire to the inverter. Done. Run some non-copyrighted music. Sub off. On. Off. Having it in that cabinet with the speaker facing to the rear made the biggest difference. I've tried up in the passenger floorboard, I've tried here on the floor, I've tried up on the top bunk. It sounds like trash. Until you put it in this cabinet facing inward, the whole cabinet works as a resonator and just amplifies everything. It's not the greatest sounding thing in the world, but it sounds sure better than stock. As far as these go, it's changing out the interior speakers also. Stock rear speaker on a Kenworth. Use Metro speaker pigtails with the GM connector. You can run whatever speaker that you can afford. Take the grills off, unscrew it, pop it out, pop the stock one back in, and you're out. 10 minutes max to uninstall everything if you had to.